You're getting a Costco haul today instead of a Costco shopping video because when I went to Costco today, boy, was it busy. And I don't know about you, but sometimes filming in public is just, it's a little nerve-wracking. Some people are looking at you, but anyways, it was super packed. I guess because of the holiday this weekend. Yes, I'm filming this on a Friday, but you're gonna be getting this on a Tuesday. And it was just a little nuts there. So instead, we're gonna go ahead and do a grocery haul because holy cow, we got a lot of stuff. This is the huge grocery haul that we got, y'all. It is massive, and I will tell you at the very end how much this all cost today. So one thing that I do like to do when I go to Costco is have like a themed shopping day. So whether that be I'm stocking up on meats today or I'm stocking up on pantry items. I like to shop that way and go ahead and buy like 3 months worth of that product, and then I don't have to worry about that. That's just how I like to do it. We're about 45 minutes away from Costco, so I like to have a lot of meat or dairy or whatever our staples are on hand. We are a family of 6 and I have 3 of my children living at home still. So this week's Costco haul was pretty much some pantry items, some other essentials that we needed, and a few things that they had for on instant savings, because I know they're coming out with a new instant savings, I believe on the 15th of May. So probably by the time this goes live, they will have the new instant savings. They had their beef tenderloin. These were actually $10 off, and this was definitely a splurge for us, but we absolutely love beef tenderloin. We like having steak at least once a month, and I'll go ahead and freeze each of these. So this will actually give us a couple meals, and it's so good. My kids love steak, and of course we had to get some potatoes to go with this. This was like under $5 for this bag. So I thought that was a really good deal. And again, this was like $10 off. We also got 2 things of this turkey breast. This is 98% fat free, and this is just good to have on hand for when we need to do some lunch, some sandwiches during the week. And they had their blueberries kind of marked down to, I think these were like $4. And they had their strawberries. So of course we wanted to get a few fresh fruit along with our bananas, because we are always eating bananas, whether it's in our peanut butter and banana sandwiches or in our oatmeal. And it's just good to have on hand, or even just to take with us if we're going out for the day and we just need a little quick snack. That's what I love having bananas for. We bought some of this Chihuahua cheese. You guys, have you ever had this? It's so good. It is like a super cheesy, it has so much flavor. I make this beef and cheese tacos, like homemade tacos, not like the taco shells you buy at the store with this. And oh, let me know in the comments down below if that is something you guys would like to see, like me cook up some of my quick meals during the week. But this is like my go-to favorite cheese right now. They had this Catalina Crunch. They had this like $3 off the price, so I went ahead and stocked up on that. So I got 3 of them. I like to have this in my yogurt bowls. I like to just sprinkle a little bit on top for a little bit of crunch. So this is definitely gonna last us at least 6 months, just because we use so little, because it is on the pricier side, but I love it because it has 11 grams of protein and 9 grams of fiber in a serving of, let's see, oh, it's a half a cup and 110 calories. So it's a really good, you know, pretty decent little bit of something that you can put on your Greek yogurt or whatever yogurt you like. And I just went ahead and got some tomato paste and some tomato sauce just to have on hand. We use this in our beef tacos or in my homemade enchiladas. And then I also make homemade marinara sauce, so we needed to get some of that. Over here, we've got some daily makeup removers. I probably should have moved that down there with the other paper items. Just needed some makeup removers here, so that's gonna be nice and handy. 4 things of Wolf brand chili. I got 4 because I needed to restock up. Again, this is probably gonna last us at least 6 months. We like to have Frito pie with this, or I make a cream cheese dip that is just so delicious. So again, these are things that will stay good on the shelf for a while, and I just went ahead and stocked up for about 6 months or so with the Wolf Brand chili. Each of them come with 6 cans, and it's just a quick, easy meal, and I just love having it on hand. I believe they had this Banza rotini made from chickpea pasta on sale, and so I ended up grabbing a couple of them a couple months ago, and my kids love them. They have 20 grams of protein, 8 grams of fiber, and it is really delicious. You can't really even tell the difference between the chickpea pasta and regular pasta. Like, it is that good. And to me, it's just a little bit better than regular pasta. And so I'll spend a little bit extra money, a little bit more nutrient pasta. I don't know, let me know down below what kind of pasta you like. We got some half and half right here. This is what we use in our coffee every morning. So that is gonna be a staple that I pick up every time that we go to Costco. So I just got one of those. I love Kirkland's organic Greek yogurt. This is what I make my yogurt bowls with. So I'll put a little bit of this in here, and then again, I sprinkle it with some of that Catalina Crunch, and oh, it's so good. And I love it like right before bedtime, because it, you know, if I'm a little hungry, I need a little bedtime snack, this will get me through, and it's, you know, it's healthy, and I just really like it. So we got 2 of these. My daughter loves yogurt just as well. So we got 2, and hopefully that'll last us. Hopefully it'll last us at least a month. I got some organic chicken stock, and this is just replacing because we are out, and we do use this during the winter, so we're just out, so I just wanted to replace that. This is yellowfin tuna. Holy cow. Okay, I haven't had this before, and they're giving out samples, and boy, did they sell me on it. It was so good. And again, another thing for just some pantry items, it's a safe catch, every tuna mercury tested, which is good. Especially sometimes we get on a kick of eating tuna every day, so you don't want to have too much mercury, but you get 6 cans right here, and I went ahead and got 2 of those because they were so good. I got some chunk chicken breast, chicken canned tuna. We went ahead and got 2 packages of the organic peanut butter for, you know, of course, peanut butter sandwiches and for our smoothies. I been wanting to try this lemon and herb ricotta pasta sauce. I usually make all of my pastas from scratch, and I just thought, you know, if one night I don't have time and we're gonna be doing pasta, that this would be good. So I'm curious to check this out and see how it tastes, and it looks really good. We got some honey for our oatmeal and for our peanut butter and honey sandwiches, and we always get this organic raw and unfiltered honey, and I love how they have them like into 3. Looks like somebody went ahead and was trying to get into my Nutella. This is just kind of a fun item. We usually don't buy this stuff, but yeah, well, this is just fun. We usually don't have it, but the kids love it. And of course, we love ranch, whether we're having it on our chicken sandwiches or on our salads. So went ahead and got some more ranch. And I normally don't buy like chips and things, but again, this was kind of a fun trip for us. And as you can see, someone's already gotten into the Cheetos. So we got this Cape Cod chips, we got some Fritos, and I thought that would be good with the Wolf Brand chili, making like a Frito pie. So that'd be easy, quick meal this week. And we got some nacho Doritos. I picked up some bread here, and I got, oh, hello. Kids, they just have to take everything here. I told them not to touch anything. I got the sprouted whole grain kind, and I also got the good seed, and this is so good. This bread is delicious. It's definitely on the pricier side, but I love it. And it's got like, this one has 4 grams of protein and 3 grams of fiber, and I believe they're like 80 calories each. Again, 3 grams of protein and 3 grams of fiber, which is pretty good, but yeah, this is delicious. And then I also got some just Nature Owns regular honey wheat, because some people like this very hearty bread and some do not in my family, so I just got a variety. They also had the probiotics on instant savings, so I went ahead and grabbed some of those. And then I've been reading about the great benefits of green tea, so I went ahead and saw this, and I went ahead and purchased it, and I didn't realize, but it has a blend of sencha and matcha in it, so hey, that's pretty cool. This is my favorite coffee, and I am so glad that Costco has kept it. This is the Root of My coffee, and it's shade grown, And I always get the medium roast because what I've heard is like with a dark roast, I always get the medium roast because I have heard that on a dark roast, it actually may come out. Your coffee might be a little bit more bitter just because they roast it a little bit longer. So it's kind of has more of a burnt smell, I guess. But anyways, I got the roast, the medium roast here. This is also shade grown in Mexico and it is just so good. Now, I don't know about you, but sometimes coffee, if I drink it, I get like real shaky. And I can really tell like that caffeine is hitting me. And with like this coffee, I never have that jittery feeling. So if you love coffee, but you don't like that like jittery feeling, try this out. They are whole beans, so you do have to grind it. And you can always grind it at the Costco store before you leave or do it at home. But y'all, it's so good. I love this coffee. I did pick up some Chomps beef sticks. I've never had these, but I've just seen them all over the internet and I thought, hey, you know what? Let's go ahead and try it. There's 12 sticks in here. Looks like each one is about 100 calories and 7 grams of fat in it. And I thought these would be good just to put in my purse for on the go. And, you know, just having something if I need something when we're out and about. Had to pick up some Clorox wipes because these are so convenient. I went ahead and picked up some more pre-cut single sheets of these foil sheets right here. I love using these in my air fryer. I just lined my air fryer with each of these and it's such easy cleanup. I got some plastic forks and spoons. We're gonna be traveling this summer. We're gonna be doing some RVing. And so I just went ahead and picked that up so we would have it ready to go because where we're going, you know, it's gonna be hard to do dishes, so make life easier. And we needed some dryer sheets, so I went ahead and picked that up. They had the classic lunch plates on a sale, and those were like $4 off, so I went ahead and picked up 2 of those because it's just good to have paper plates on hand when you need them. And again, we're gonna be taking these when we go camping, and it's just gonna be nice and convenient. Okay. Now, can you guess how much all of this costs? We were trying to guess when we were leaving about how much it was gonna cost, and it ended up costing us like $200 more. But I do think we got a lot of food. I think it's gonna last us hopefully for a while. And again, you know, I like doing themed shopping. That way, like, hey, you know what? I've got yogurt for the next few months. I've got Wolf Brand chili for the next 6 months. I don't have to worry about doing that. Cause like with our family, we really eat almost the same things. It just makes life easier instead of having to buy a whole bunch of stuff. We just have staples and I make a rotation of food for the most part. Okay, let me tell you how much we ended up. All right, so here is the receipt here. So as you can see, that Catalina Crunch was $3.30 off. Let's see what else we had that was on sale. Oh yeah, so the paper plates are $4 off. We had, oh, I bought mozzarella sticks. I actually forgot to bring those in, but we got like the mozzarella sticks. Those were $3.50 off, so I did grab that. What else do we have here? Again, those plates. Yeah, so the probiotics were $5 off, and then that filet was $10 off, so that made that $37 for all of these fillets here, which not a bad deal because it's so good. I mean, if you go to a restaurant and buy a steak like that, it's gonna be $50 at least for that. So anyways, our total ended up being $688.93. Yeah, so $688. It's almost $700. Like, whew. I don't think I've ever went to Costco and spent that much money, but hopefully it'll last, right? How much do you usually spend when you go to Costco? Is it a lot more? Is it a lot less? Do you go in and just get what you need, you know, throughout the week? But like for us, we live like 45 minutes away, and that's like without traffic. Well guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit different, and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And if you are new here, be sure to subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already. And if you'd like to see another video, YouTube thinks you'll like this video right here. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.